Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I've been really busy with my personal schedule, but nevertheless I'm here doing another wig review, or like just hair tutorial slash wig review. And for today we are reviewing this hair company named Ashimary. They sent me a wig and I honestly forgot like all the details of this hair. It's been sitting unopened for so long because I was just so busy with nursing school. Oh my gosh, that is another video in itself, which I probably will make it because I have a lot to talk about. But this is how the hair is looking. Very cutesy, it came curled already. It's already pre-colored. I would assume it's pre-plucked, so I don't know, I'll show you a better close up. I forgot to mention what was actually in the box that the wig came in. So they have a wig cap, they put some wig tape, a wig band, a big T-comb, some bobby pins. This is the robe that I was wearing in the video. So once I saw this robe, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna wear it. So that is that. It's the first wig company I know that like sends a robe, but they have a bonnet and another set of wig tape for the sides. So that's it. Okay, so I did the wig cap. I cut the cord. I cut my ears out so that, you know, this wig cap is tight. Like, I don't know if it's because my head got bigger or something, but I don't like that. I'm just gonna use some glue to like do my perimeter. Secondly, I am going to put Ebin spray on the perimeter of my hair. I'm going to use my Ruby Kiss cream foundation that's closest to your skin color, and just put it at the perimeter. For this wig, inside of the wig, I'm going to put the same foundation cream that I put on the wig cap. I'm going to put it inside of the wig. I'm going to take Ebin spray and then spray at the perimeter and be very gentle. This is how it looks straight out the packaging. I'm going to recurl it exactly how they intend on this hair to look. So this is the hair. It probably needs some like layers at the front, layers at the side. Okay, so I'm finished with curling my hair. I can see that they put some layers into the hair, so I didn't have to do any real layering, so I like that. This hair is very sophisticated, very much like classy. It's short, so that's one thing I'm not really like familiar with, like short hair, but it's very nice and classy and cutesy and everything. I never worked with this type of hair color. I'm always a black, jet black type of girl, so I really like how they dyed the hair. But yeah, this is what's going on. This is a tutorial. It was a bit chaotic, but you know, if you lasted this long, then I did something right, or you were just, I don't know, I was just probably in the background of somebody's, you know, laptop or something. But I am not a person that does edges when it comes to wigs, because I feel like it will just ruin it, and like I'll just cut way too much and like pluck way too much, so I don't really want to take that risk right now. This hair company did provide like edges like they actually left out some edges, but I just don't like to do it. Like I don't like to do it. I don't want to have fake edges. Like I don't have time for that. Like this is what the result is. So very voluminous. I didn't, like, you saw the process. I took out the package, I put it on my head. I didn't do no plucking, I didn't do no bleaching. Quite frankly, I probably didn't need to do a bald cap either, but I did because I was not oriented. But yep, this is the hair. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to me for more hair content and content in general, because I don't know which direction this channel is going to go. But anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.